Hello grade 9, I hope you're doing good and you're safe with your families. First, I would like you to review the rules of assignment of oxidation number and the definition of oxidation, reduction, and redox reaction. If you remember, in a redox reaction we have both an oxidation and a reduction. So usually we have two reactants. One of them had an oxidation, so one reactant is oxidized and the other reactant is reduced. The oxidized reactant is also called reducing agent. Why reducing agent? Because it makes the other reactant do a reduction. And the other reactant, the reactant which is reduced, is called an oxidizing agent. So we should not be confused by the terms. The oxidizing agent did a reduction and the reducing agent did an oxidation. Sometimes we have the two half reactions and we need to combine them into the full redox reaction. So in this case, this is the reduction in which there is a gain of electrons. O2 is gaining 4 electrons to give 2O2 minus, while Mg is doing an oxidation and losing 2 electrons. So before we add these two reactions together, the number of electrons need to be the same. So when we add them together, they cancel each other. So it's fairly easy to see that we need to multiply this reaction by 2. So the 2 electrons become 4. So 2Mg gives 2Mg2 plus 4 electrons. And now when we add this reaction with the first one, we can cancel the 4 electrons from the products and the 4 electrons from the reactants to have the full reaction which does not contain electrons. So at page 74, we need also to study what is the definition of an electrochemical cell. In later session, we will go into details of this galvanic cell and study each compartment and everything happening in it. So, oxidation and reduction, they are chemical reactions that can be used to produce energy, electric energy. So let's read together. Spontaneous electron transfer reactions, also called redox reactions that we have studied, can be used to produce electricity in a device called cell, galvanic cell or voltaic cell. So it produces electricity that is detected by this voltmeter. Sometimes here you can see a light bulb that will have electricity passing through it. A device in which electric current is used to make a non-spontaneous redox reaction to take place is called electrolytic cell. A device that converts chemical energy into electric energy or the electrical energy into chemical energy is called an electrochemical cell. So the galvanic cell is an electrochemical cell because it will transform chemical energy into electrical energy. And we will continue into next sessions. Thank you.